Hi, my name is Aaron Brown, and I will be talking about Target's inventory management strategy. John F. Geese, while working for the Dayton Company, came up with the idea for an upscale discount store. The Dayton Company, utilizing Geese's idea, opened its first Target store on May 1st, 1962, in Roseville, Minnesota. Today, Target has 1,807 stores, 38 distribution centers throughout the United States. Target employs 323,000 people worldwide. Target has global locations in India. Target also has an online store at Target.com. Target is the third largest store chain in the United States. Inventory management is a set of policies and controls that monitor the levels of inventory and determine what levels should be maintained, when stock should be replenished, and how large the order should be. It is simply a system that tells you what to order, how much to order, and when to order it. An example of how Target's inventory management system has failed is in the company's attempt to open stores in Canada. While Target Canada failed for many different reasons, one of the main reasons it failed was because of poor inventory management. When expanding into Canada, Target decided to outsource its logistics department to a Canadian firm that used a different system than Target used stateside. The system used was one with which the company was unfamiliar, called ERP, and the company did not properly train its employees on how to use the system. This resulted in tons of bad data in their software, leading to skewed numbers for reordering products. Because the system was set, so products that were out of stock or low in stock were automatically renewed. The system could not easily keep up with customer demand. Target's current inventory management uses a last in, first out method, meaning the inventory that was purchased last is the first sold. This method does not seem the best method as inventory is not being rotated. As a result, customers see many empty shelves. Target is in the early stages of using a radio frequency identification, RFID. This is the ability for store tags to contain all the necessary inventory information that can be read from several feet away. Another way to help with inventory management is Target is experimenting with opening smaller stores. Target is currently testing this in two markets near the University of Minnesota and New York City's Tribeca neighborhood. The store near the University of Minnesota is 15% of a normal size store and focuses on products made for college students. The Tribeca store is bigger than the University of Minnesota store, but not by much. Target has recently began charging its suppliers for unsold merchandise. This is now changing the supplier-retailer relationship. I recommend that Target follows Walmart's lead by using vendor-managed inventory management system. I also recommend Target further incentivize customers for using customer surveys. Lastly, I recommend that Target expand its RFID usage as they are currently using it in a very limited capacity. This concludes my presentation. Thanks for watching.